In the last session, what a wonderful concept we covered, man. Wonderful concept. The word most important, playbook. Everyone, can you please repeat? What is that word?
Playbook.
Playbook. What a wonderful concept. Playbook and its 4 C's. Okay. In the delegation, this one is going to be helpful like anything, man. Okay. Earlier, yes, we know the importance of delegation. We require to delegate our low-level activities to some X person, to some Y person, so that he is going to take care like. But the process of delegation, he explained, so that almost it's impossible to fail such a type of playbook and its 4 C's. Okay, like playbook, you know, right? A standard step-by-step process, okay, for doing a particular activity. Once playbook is ready, by using this playbook, anyone can do that activity very easily. Like that, we require to prepare playbook. Remember this one, playbook means nothing, step-by-step procedure, okay, for doing a particular task. So that, okay, once that playbook is ready, if I delegate that playbook to any person, if I hand over that playbook to any person, he is going to refer that playbook and that particular activity he can do on his own, okay, without getting the doubts, without raising any doubts, or with minimal doubts, he can start. That is the purpose of a playbook. Okay, in the process of delegation, playbook is the most valuable. And then every playbook contain 4 C's. What is that? Every playbook contain 4 C's. Okay, like so, which 4 C's are required to build a playbook? The first C. Anyone, can you please repeat? What is the first C? First C. Respond, friends. First C. Camcorder method. Okay. Which activity you want to delegate? That activity with your explanation. Better to shoot a video or at least a screen recording. Array, this is the activity you require to do that. This is the way you have to do that. Like you have to, with your explanation, create a video. Camcorder method. Okay, just our video shoot. Simple word, camcorder is the technical instead of the video. So camcorder method. Okay, you require to shoot the video. Most of the times, what I will ask is, so just very recently, Rajiv and me, my conversation is there. Rajiv, he has to explain some concept to me. Rajiv, can you? Our time is not syncing. Our time is not syncing because he's full busy in office. I'm busy in my activities. The time is not syncing. Then I ask Rajiv, Rajiv, if you don't mind, can you please screen record the process and share that video to me? Have you observed? Can you share screen record that and share to me? Okay, like I asked Rajiv. Okay, then it is the process, right? So that this is the way, sir, you require to do that. This is the thing. Like if he's going to share, okay, that video, by seeing that I can do right. Yes, those by seeing that I can do right. Next one time, I asked Ram Prasad a small favor. Ram Prasad, can you please do this activity like just a small PDF, our book PDF file is there, right? Can you please divide it into chapter wise like I asked her? Then okay, Ram Prasad, I should not disturb every time. My team is going to take care. In what way you are doing? Can you please share, okay, screen recording so that I will hand over to my team. By using that, my team is going to take care. Okay, next time onwards, I won't disturb you. My team is going to take care like I asked. Ram Prasad, have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you shared it also. Rajiv, have you remembered?
Yes,
Rajiv,
sir.
have you
Yes,
remembered?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So it's a very simple. So if you want to delegate any activity, so the first thing what we require to do is, so that the activity, in what way we require to take care, what problems may rise, how to handle that, whatever the thing, you require to shoot a video for that process, step-by-step process. So by seeing that video, anyone can do that or not. At least 100% perfection may not be. 80 to 90% the persons can do, right? Respond, friends. The persons can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the power of video. That's the power of video. Suppose here you want to learn something, man. You want to learn something. How you are learning? By seeing this video only, right? If you want to learn my technology, suppose agentic AI, you are attending some 3 days or 4 days because of some urgent work, you are not in a position to attend my session. In what way you are going to learn? Just open the video, and so before next session, let me complete these things like you people are going to learn from my videos. Correct, right? The video is a powerful tool if you want to learn something. So in the delegation process also, better to use the word video. Okay, like the process, whatever you are doing, don't feel that, sir, videos are required for courses, videos are required for tutorials. Like, no, for your activities also, videos are required. Best example, PDF split. Ram Prasad, for that activity, can you please create a screen recording video, share to me? Or Rajiv, can you please, so for this activity, can you please do a screen recording and can you please share to me? Whenever I have the free time, I will see. Okay, because both our timings are not going to be sync. That's why I will do that. Like, have you observed, right? Or I'm telling some important point. What the people are going to do, they will record that particular important point, and they will share to me. So yesterday or day before yesterday, Babu sir attended somewhere, some seminar. He's talking about some books. Oh, maybe for Durga sir it's very helpful. Like what that person did is that particular 2 minutes or 1.5 minute, 2 minutes video he recorded and shared to me. Sir, this person is talking about books. Can you please just check if these books are going to be helpful for you? Like he shared that video. Oh, by saying yes, it's a wonderful collection. Yes, immediately I added and I took those books also. Wonderful collection. Okay. So observe the power of that video. In my perspective, video is one magic word. Remember this one. Video is one magic word. Okay. So the first C in our playbook creation is a playbook creation is the first C is a camcorder method. You require to shoot a video. But here one magic number is there. What is that magic number? What is that magic number? 3. 3.
3 times.
What is the meaning of 3? What is that magic number? What it means 3? You
3 times.
require to record the video 3 times. 3 times, a matter of 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, man. So first record. You are going to listen. After recording, the video is available. You are going to listen. Array, this point I didn't explain, or this point is missing. Like better to take again second video. Then automatically in the first video, if any points are missing, then automatically in the second video, those things are going to be covered. Okay, like next. So in the second video, first video listen, but still there are some points are missing. This point I didn't cover. Like better to take third video. Okay, automatically for the same activity 3 times you are going to record by referring the old videos. Like what will happen is, yes, almost what you want to convey, clearly you are in a position to convey. Okay, even the person who is going to listen that, by seeing the first video, sometimes he may not connect. But the same thing, by listening the second video, some points may be connected. By listening the third video, again more points may be connected. That's why 3 times you require to record your video. That thing is very important, right? Okay, in the playbook creation, the first C camcorder method. Next, the second one, sir. The second one is the course. The second one is the course. Second C means course. Like it is nothing. Prepare a step by step. Document. This is the first step we require to do that. Documentation style. Earlier video style. Now the second documentation style. This is the first step we require to do that. And then this is the second step we require to do. So these are things. While doing these things you require to take care like a process document we require to prepare. Okay, if we prepare a process document by showing that automatically any person can easily understand. Array video is available, document is also available, then nothing. So have you observed that my students are always asking, sir, you are explaining the thing properly. No problem at all. Can you please provide the notes also? Can you please provide the notes also? Notes also. So generative AI, core foundations of generative AI. So just I shared, this is the notes better to prepare like. Next prompt engineering I shared, this is the notes better to prepare. But N8N, I'm not having any notes. Then the people are facing the problems. Please provide the notes. Just I explain only flows. Okay, workflows only I created and I explained. For that, there is no notes I didn't prepare. Every day I'm sharing that JSON files. Then they're asking, sir, if possible, can you please prepare the notes and share to us? If I do that activity, then they are going to feel like very relaxed and very happy. That is the power of step-by-step process document. Okay, remember. So what it means is step-by-step process document must be required. Okay, clearly you require to prepare. Okay, like next the third C. What is the third one is cadence. Third C means cadence. 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 Cadence means something like a calendar, like you can consider cadence. So at what time this activity should be completed? Every day, morning, or every day, evening, or every weekly once, or monthly once, you require to do this activity. At what time this activity should be done? Okay, like that is what cadence. When to do this task? Daily or weekly? Like cadence is the third C. Next, fourth C is what a wonderful concept. What a wonderful concept. This is the concept most of the people are missing. What is that concept? Is fourth C. What is that? Checklist. It is the safety net to you. It is the safety net. We are not going to miss anything. Most of the times what will happen is, suppose you are planning for a tour and you are preparing all the things, and then you enter. Okay, you entered in the train or flight and so on. Then you realize that, array, I forgot to take this one. Array, I forgot to take this one. I forgot. So, too worst, there are some people who are going to forget to take passports also, man. While traveling international, they forgot to bring tickets and passports also. Then automatically they will make a phone call. Another person. So, rushly he has to travel to the airport. Those people are already on the way. These persons also like. Have you remembered how many times in your life you forgot multiple things, right? Multiple times, right? Ayyo.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Multiple times, right? So sometimes what will happen is my wife is always having the doubt in the curry, namak, salt. Am I added or not? Ayo, what is the problem for her? If she is going to add second time, what is the problem for her? The problem is for us, right? Always having this problem. Always, am I added salt or not? Okay, in the tea, am I added sugar or not? The problem is multitasking. Multitasking. That is the bigger problem. Focus won't be there in the multitasking. Multitasking, these type of problems only will come into the picture. Okay. So here, checklist. Compulsory some checklist must be required.